Alright, what's up guys, it's Jackson here, and today we're going to start the CSGO Roulette all-in-one tutorial. Actually not start, we're going to do the whole thing. Okay, so yeah, first you want to go to DigitalOcean up here, and then once you log in you need to put your credit card information in, or else you cannot create a droplet. So yeah, do that first. And come to the top right and click create droplet. And then click this, I'm not sure how you say that. But do 7.11 64-bit, $5 a month or whatever you want. I'm doing $5 because of yeah, just the tutorial. I'm gonna delete this later. I want to choose San Francisco and host name. I want to do tutorial. Create. Okay, so next off, you want to download two things. Actually, the downloads will be in the description, but you need FileZilla. Actually three: FileZilla, the authenticator, and Putty. So Putty, this is what Putty is. Basically, you just put in your IP, and it's like the console, but it's for the it's different. It's just a lot better than the actual console in your browser. So yeah, so once this is done, this is gonna send me a. Okay, well, actually. Okay, before I get to that part, you just want to click on your IP, and it should copy it to your clipboard. Come here and right click or paste and open. Click yes if it pops that up. Log in as root, and eventually I'm gonna get an email with the password. I don't think I have it yet. No, I don't. Okay, well. While we're doing that, I guess we can just actually I think I just got it. Yes, I did. Okay, so I got the password right. So you copy that out of your email, right click. That's how you paste in Putty. Just right click when you're in the window, click enter, and then right click again to paste your current one, make a new one. So I'm gonna do 1 2 3 test 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, we're good. So now after that, apt-get update. So what you want to do after every time you install a new droplet. Also with apt-get upgrade. Yes. Also there's going to be a few commands, or actually a bunch of commands in the written tutorial I made in the description below. So right click now and paste all this stuff. Yes. It's gonna ask me for my password, I think. Yep. Same thing. 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3 3. Also, if it's not obvious, you need to put in like your password and stuff, not what I'm putting in. So yeah. Okay. Next command after this is done. It's working. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's good. Install Apache 2. Yes. Okay, we're to go with that. And the last one for now is this. Yes. Every time I say yes, just press Y and click enter for the Putty thing. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to put in your domain to your droplet. So all I do, it's pretty simple. I don't think I do it the right way, but I'll show you my way. I just click on the IP address domain. I go to my domain provider, which is GoDaddy. This process is going to be about the same for every place, but a little bit different. So yeah, just come here, go to your DNS zone file or DNS settings, and find the @host, which is an a host type, I guess, and then just paste in your IP. Save changes, and then it might take a little bit, but eventually it should just forward it to that. Okay, well that's doing that. So we're gonna do, let's see. Okay, now we'll go back to Putty. Sorry if you if you couldn't tell, I'm doing I got the written tutorial on a different monitor, so I'm copying the commands off that. Okay, so come here, right click, and install phpMyAdmin, yes. It's gonna, okay, so when you get here, you click space on Apache 2, and tab and enter. Okay. It's doing its thing. And tab and no for that. Okay, let's see. Now we have a bunch of different commands we need to do and install. So this one is just a bunch of, oh, okay, 1 second. Okay, my bad. I gotta put a little dash in before the ABT. 1 second. Yes. Installing all of these. Okay, we're good. Okay, while it's doing that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and open up FileZilla, which you should have downloaded. It's just an FTP client. So, don't want that. Put this in the side here. Okay, that's good. Get your IP of your droplet. Paste it as a host to root, and your password as the password you set to the thing, to the droplet. Then always do 22 as the port. And click OK. Okay, so now we're all good. We're in the droplet and everything. So now we can click this or slash right here and take it to the top. And then the bottom panel, come down to var and go to www and delete this index like that. Now this is also a download. This is just the script that has like just everything. It's the roulette website. So yeah. So copy everything except for the bot. Actually, you don't have to copy. You can just drag and drop into www. Okay. That's working. While that does that, let's see. We also need to do. Actually, I'll just stay here so we don't confuse you guys. Yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been posting for a while. I heard some news that there wasn't going to be gambling sites anymore, so I kind of waited until then to see if it really happened or not. And so far, it hasn't happened, but. Yeah, so now go ahead and delete the csgo.sql file and right click the prices.txt, go to file permissions, type 777, click enter, and go to right click on the cache folder, file permissions 777, and click this little checkbox right here. Okay, that all should be good. So now we have to edit something, so it should be up in here. Come back to the top, go to etc, Apache 2, sites available, and default. For some reason I can't edit it from here, so I'm going to drag it to my desktop and then edit it from there and re-upload it, which is probably not the best thing, but oh well. So we have this, right? All you need to do is change this to all. I believe that's the one. Files, okay, file save, replace, overwrite. Okay, so now that we have that, you can type in the putty /etc /init.d /apache 2 and then restart. I believe that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Now, what next? Let's see if this is is working yet. I don't think it's working. Let's see. Jackson.us/phpMyAdmin. Nope. Okay, so for now, did it work? it didn't. Okay. For now, I'm just gonna copy this. You can do the same thing with this for now, but copy your IP and do /php my admin. Yeah, admin. Like that. Change your username, or enter your username as that, and 123 test 123. That's your password and stuff. Okay, we're in. Now go to databases. Creating a database, call it CSGO. With this script, it's a lot easier if you just name it CSGO. So yeah, click create, go to CSGO, and import. You can just choose file. Where is it? CSGO double, CSGO.sql. Click go, and we should be good. Now, I'm gonna put this command into the droplet, A2 into whatever that rewrite, and then restart Apache again. Okay. Now we should be able to go and try something. Where is it? Wrong one. Site cannot be reached. Okay. Jackson.us. Okay. For some reason. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back whenever this domain resolves. Okay. Yeah. Be right back. All right, guys. I'm back. We're all good. The domain finally resolved or whatever. So yeah. Upload this. Okay. So we got that. Now we need to do. So now, well, if you go to your domain, you're gonna get this. So we're gonna fix this in a second, but this means it's working, even though it's an error, I guess. But yeah, so let's go to putty. Right click and paste this command. Okay. So now we can /copy and paste this command too. This is all just to install Node, which is what our bot is made from, basically. Okay. Continue with 3. Okay. We're good. Paste this in. Okay. So now we can go. Okay, we need to go close this and go back to FileZilla. Come here, home, go to home, and then in here, right click and create a new directory and call it bot. So yeah, so now what we need to do is come in here, go back to here, and finally we can get this bot files out of the script. Just find all of them, select all of them, and drag and drop into the bot folder. Okay. So this should be good. Which one is queued? Okay, well, right click this, file permissions, and click 777. And then, yeah. So now it's called putty, we need to type cd/home/bot. So now we're in the bot directory under home. So now we have a bunch of different commands we need to copy and paste into here. So here's the first one. And then basically there's like 15 of these. So just copy and paste all of them until they're finished. Oh, whoops. What happened? Okay, we're good. Okay. Keep right clicking and pasting all these. There's about 10 more left. Okay, yeah, some of these take longer than others. See, that one was a pretty big package. So yeah. like I said, they're all going to be in the description, all these commands in the written tutorial. So yeah, check those out if you need it. Okay, I guess that's done too. Copy this one. Okay, I guess then copy that. Copy, paste. Copy these, paste to that. Okay. I know this is kind of repetitive, but I mean, if you really want this, this is how you do it. Okay. It's fine if it says there's deprecation fail. Okay. Do that. Okay, that one failed too. It's fine. It's fine. I'll click that one. Paste that one. Copy. Paste that one too. Okay, we're almost done. There's like 2 left. Let's see. After this, we're gonna do the gonna change all the different values in the index.php and different stuff like that. So I got quite a bit to go though. So yeah, that's good. And the last one is engine.io. Okay. So now that all should be good. Go ahead and clear this so it's not as cluttered. So now I'm going to go back to the www folder and find index.php. Right click, open that. Okay, so we need to change the database info. Oh well, okay, I guess I'll plug that out. I guess, let's see, view/edit, okay, scroll those files. Okay, I guess I'll just need to blur that out. But anyway, type 123 test 123 or whatever your password is. I wouldn't recommend doing that. File save, and then every time you change a file, you need to click yes to upload it back to the server. Okay. Okay. Also, okay, what is next? Okay, we need to get our Steam API key. So first, I'm gonna go to Steam community, login, Garinger J. This is my bot. So yeah. Okay, let me get this real quick. Let me get my API key. We just need to do all this different stuff to make sure it works. Copy that. Paste that. Good. And then go to steamcommunity.com/dev/API key. Revoke this because I already had one. Now what you want to do is find your drop.ip, copy it, paste it, and I agree, and register. Copy this whole key right here, you're going to need this. And then go back to FileZilla. Open the index.php again, Scarlet or whatever. And then find, where is it? Steam community, search that. Okay. That's not it, that's not it. That's not it. Maybe it's hold on, Steam power. Okay. I believe this is it right here. So come here and replace this right here. Oops. All the way to the end. Yep. Save that like that. And then I think there's one more spot we need to do it. Steam powered. I believe that's what we need to. Let's see. If we need to do that, save that also. And then click yes to upload it. Next, open secret.php and paste or put your password in here again. So now, actually we need to go back into index.php and go to line 306, I think. Yep. So we need to change this right here, which is going to be in the description of this code right here. So all the way to location. Actually, I'm just gonna type it. So $, open ID, arrow, whatever that is, auth the URL, brackets, semicolon. Okay, that should work like that. And then 334, change this to your domain right here. So I'm gonna use jackson0.us. Save that, and then I think we're good with that. Click yes, and then install these. Go back to PuTTY and paste these. Okay, I guess we already had these. Okay, we're good. So now, let's see what's next. Give me a second. Where did we go? Okay, so now we can go to our website, hopefully, and if everything works, or this works at least, with all this stuff. Can we sign in? I think we can. Yep, everything's working good. It says connection lost because the site.js isn't running yet. But yeah. So now we need to go to /home and /bot, which is here. And then we need to go to no, actually in PuTTY go to actually no, never mind, my bad guys. So whenever I do this, I usually need to drag to my desktop again because of it not well, it wasn't really working last time. So right click this, edit with notepad, and then we need to change, let's see, your database info, which is right here. Okay, 123 test 123, like that. Okay, now we need to get our API or our key from backpack.tf. It's a little bit different. Okay, here we can go to Developer Center, view my key details, revoke mine, I don't need that. Okay, do the same thing like this. Put Jackson.us, and then just type prices for the reason, I guess. Okay, we have this. So now we can go to back to the file, and we can go down to page or line 62. I think. Yep, that's it. The equal sign all the way to the app, and we're good. Save that, and then yeah, save that, and then drag it back straight up into the server. Sorry guys, I'm kind of going a little bit slow now because I'm looking at the tutorial, or my written tutorial, because I kind of forgot. Okay, open bot.js. Okay, drag bot.js down. Same thing with the other one. Just change the database info. So just 1 3 test 1 2 3 like that, and then drag it back. Same thing with bot manager. Right click, add a notepad, and 1 2 3 test 1 2 3. Okay, all those done. Go ahead and delete these from right here for now. And yeah, okay. So now we need to go to home. Go to your putty. Go to cd/home/bot like that, and then go over to www and your FileZilla template JS, and then right click on new.js and view/edit. Forgot, I can't do that. I need to drag it down here. Okay, and then edit this right here. I don't know whose IP this is, but you need to put your site's believe I want to put my IP. I have to do this IP. Put the IP in there and save that. Okay, and then so that's all good, right? Yep. Let me drag this back into here and overwrite. Okay, so now we can go, since we're in here, now we can do node site.js, and then it should work. So now it's working. Can't really tell. Let's see. Go to this. Okay, yep. We are all good to go for that part. Okay, nice. So see how it says, oh well, we connected to the database. That's good. So now we need to go to, I'm going to show you how to change some user settings. So go to your domain, say get to phpMyAdmin also, .us/phpMyAdmin, and then sign in. Okay, will work. Wrong password. Go to CSGO, go to SQL, type truncate, I think that's how you say it, table users, go, yes, do the same thing for bets, yes, same thing for codes, yes, messages, yeah, okay. It should be good. So now what we're going to do is going to go to users. And let's see, where is it? Oh, I need to sign in again. Whoopsie doo. Yeah, let me sign into my actual account, guys. Hold on. Not this. Get that. Let me get my code from the Steam app. 1 second, guys. Sorry about this. Open it. Okay, 6VNP8. Okay, we're all good with this. Okay, so now when we do this, we reload this. I believe if we go to users, yep, here it is. We see our username and everything. So every time someone logs in, this will be added, or one of these will be added for each user, and we'll have different values. So what we're going to do is first we're going to click edit, and then change the balance to however much you want. So I'm going to do like, I don't know how much that is in coins, but yeah. And then the rank, if you want to be admin, the rank is 100. So you do that, click go. Once you refresh here, I have money, and then you want to type, it says owner. So once you're good with that, what you're going to want to do is come here, click Control Z to stop the process. So now see it doesn't connect. It's cool. Okay. So do cron inputty, whatever. Cron tab -E. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Paste this code from the description or the tutorial. in the description. And then /. Okay, before we save this, we need to go to www. Drag this to your desktop first. Okay, delete it from www. Go back up to home, bot, drag it back in. Right click, rename, hash.php. Okay, we're good with that. So now click Control X, like we did. No, actually, no, we didn't. Control X, Y, enter. And then we can do cron tab -L, I think. Yep, and it shows right there. So this just changes the hash every at midnight or every 12 hours. I'm not exactly sure actually. But yeah, so I'm gonna clear this again. Yeah. So what is next? Okay, so we need to go to. We need to get the Google. So when you go to withdraw, there's this thing right here, the reCAPTCHA thing. So we can go to Google probably. Let's see, google.com reCAPTCHA. How do you say that? Yeah, reCAPTCHA, whatever. So these are all mine right here. Make a new one called tutorial. Domains. What is it? Okay, Jackson.us, like that. Register. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to open index.php and www. Alright, so you edit this and then Control F and search for Google. So secret. Okay, that's it. Let's your key. Come here. And then paste from the 6 all the way to the and. Save it. X out of that. And yeah, save. Next, copy the site key. Copy like that. Go to template. Withdraw.tpl, I guess. Yeah. Okay, this is kind of weird. I'm not using Notepad++. But just search Google. Not that one. Wait. No, actually search recap. Not that one. I believe it's this one, yes. Scroll over here a little bit. Paste it right in there like that. And then files, say like that. Yes. Okay. So now, if we were to go to our website, where it is, where is it? It should work. So I'm not a robot, and 0 items loaded. Okay, and that's working now. So now we got a lot of it done. Now, yeah, let's go to the bot really quickly. Open. Okay. So we need to go up to the bot. Go to bots. Go to site.js. Again, I need to drag it. Actually, delete these two. Drag it to the side on my desktop. Okay. Edit. Notepad++. That's it. So now we go to 62. What is this? Okay. 1 second, guys. Oh, okay, okay. Come here, double click this, so it'll open everything up. So what this is it's just it's all the prices for everything that should be updated. So you're just updating your different your prices for your website. So now you can come here, view/edit to your prices, Control A, delete, and Control V. File, save, yes. Go down to this www. Right click, view/edit, Control A, delete, Control V, file, save. Yes, like that. And now that should be good. Okay guys, so we're going to get into the last few steps. This is about the bot. So I have a few things to talk about the bot. Let's minimize this real quick. Okay, so you're gonna need a thing called Steam Desktop Authenticator. It's gonna be the download links in the description. So what you want to do is you want to come here. Okay, let me close it really quickly. Quit. You're gonna download it. It's gonna be like this. So open Steam Desktop Authenticator. And when you open it, it might have like a few different buttons. Click on the one that says I'm new, right? And then you put in your phone information. You put in your Steam information. It'll send you a code, and yeah, and then it'll end up like this. So basically, it just what this is, it's just like the mobile authenticator app, but it's for desktops. So yeah, that's how the bot works for the script. So what you want to do is you want to go to your domain. So mine is jackson.us/phpMyAdmin. Log in, CSGO, and then bots. And then what you want to do is, once you have that set up, you can go to MA files. And I think, actually, let me see. 605, okay. So this is the one I need right here. So open this. And then you gotta find the one that has the same ID as your actual bot. Because if you have like 2 accounts in here, your main won't work. Like your main account won't work if you mismatch and all that stuff. So yeah. So come here, and then get the shared secret and the quotes. Click edit here, shared secret, paste it there, and then come find your where is it? Identity secret. And the quotes. I'm gonna have this blurred out, so paste that there. I believe that's it. Should be it. Yes, it is. Okay, your account name. Put your account name you sign into and your password. I'll blur that out too. So I'm gonna name this. Just keep it bot1. I'm gonna make the ID 0 and go. Okay, we did that. Okay. So now what you want to do is go back to putty, which is right here. Type, okay, so CD, okay, we're actually, never mind, we're already there. Use node site.js. Should all load up. Right click your putty and make a new one. Oh, okay. If this ever happens to you, just do this. Kill all. Oh, I actually have to do this first, I think. Yeah. And then go type kill all minus all caps kill, and then space node. And then it should, if it worked. Let's see. All. Okay, so I think we're good now. But yeah, just type that command in and try again. Hopefully it doesn't error. I think it will. No, okay, we're good. I think. Yep. So make a new. Right click and open a new putty. And then copy your IP, paste it, open, log in as root, and then your password. this, cd/home/bot, and then you're gonna want to type node. Actually, before we do it, wait, node bot .js0. It's gonna error, I think. Yep. Okay. So we need two things: npm install express. We good? Let's see what the next error is. Okay, we're all good. I'm gonna end it because we need to do something really quickly. Go to this link that I'll have in the description, of course, and click raw. And then you're gonna want to go back to FileZilla, go to bot, and then bot.js. Right click, edit notepad, and then you want to go to line 29. Click 29 and go all the way down to 97. Delete, and then go to your browser. Control A, Control C, and Control V. Then all should work. File save, and then put the bot back in. Okay. Do the same thing like this. Okay, it's doing that thing again, so I need to do node or kill all node. Can't spell. Okay. So now since we did that, we're gonna have to do this again. So node site.js, node bot.js0. What is going on? Error. Stuff. Kill all. Dash kill. 1 second, guys. Something's happening. I'm not really. Okay. So now we can do this, I think. Hopefully, if not, something's wrong. I think we're good. Okay. Node site.js one more time, I think. Okay. Copy the code. Okay, now I think we're good. So we can try it out now. So I know it's a lot of different tabs, but let's go to our website. So as you can see, it's up and running. The first time you ever do it, it's going to say rolling 0. You hit the bet first, refresh, and it should start rolling. Let's go to deposit. One thing I forgot to do is terminate this real quick. To make the to make it to where you can have cases on it, like there's no minimum deposit, go to index.php, go to line 22, I think it is. Is it? Oh wait, to the side. 22, yep, and just turn it to 1. Save that, yes. And then node site.js. Okay, we're all good with that. No, we're not. Of course. Kill these. I'm sorry about this. It's not really working out too good, but should be the last thing we have to do it like this. Node bot.js0. Okay, it's looking good. Refresh. Go like this. Refresh again. And yeah. So now we go to deposit, go to inventory. Now see, we can deposit anything we want. So I think there's gonna be an error. Found my trade link. get it quick. Yep. Should go, and then it should, yep, create your trade. So it's gonna do all this. Yes, it's the gift. Accept. Now once I accept it into the, sorry, my phone's going off for some reason. Yeah, once we accept it like this on my phone, you can get coins, and boom, coins have been added to your balance. We're all good to go. It's been added to my balance. Everything's working. We go to withdraw. Yeah, even though the bot has the files in it now, so yeah, guys, we can withdraw these, and it's just gonna take them out of our out of the bot and put it into our inventory, or send us a trade offer. Okay, guys, well, that's the end of the tutorial. Sorry, I've been a little bit back and forth with making videos, and also just the fact that this video is kind of sort of say unorganized, I guess. I was looking back to the thing a bunch, but anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See ya.